We have to move away from coal, first and foremost. We have to seek bridge fuels like natural gas that are much lower in terms of their carbon impact. And we have the chance to do that here at UVA.
UVA utilizes fossil fuels to provide reliable heat and electricity to the campus and hospital. The university is self-sufficient for heat, as all heat is generated at a heating plant on grounds by burning coal and natural gas.
When you burn coal, it costs the atmosphere, it costs all of us twice as much carbon dioxide as when you burn natural gas.
There's some obvious and direct benefits to moving off coal. The most obvious is the reduction in direct emissions. Moving from coal and natural gas mixed to 100% natural gas would result in about a 25% reduction in direct emissions. There's significantly lower operating costs with natural gas versus coal. It's about 30% reduction in operating costs due to the material handling aspects of coal. You have to store the coal, unload the coal, move the coal to the boilers, and then capture and remove the ash. And there's a significant reduction in maintenance cost associated with transitioning from coal to natural gas. Again, you don't have to maintain all the material handling equipment and ash handling equipment and emissions equipment at the plant. And then there's just the absolute cost of energy. The price of natural gas continues to decline, and the long-term perspective on natural gas prices remains low, and coal prices are actually increasing due to the reduced availability of high-quality coal and the increased cost in transportation of coal. The natural gas pipeline is the first step in the modernization of our energy system to reduce emissions, increase reliability and resiliency, and transition from high-intensity thermal energy to a lower-intensity thermal energy distribution system, and will allow us to integrate the alternative energy generation processes. The other benefits of a pipeline would be just plant reliability and resiliency of fuel supply. Getting a natural gas pipeline in would give us a long-term, resilient, and reliable fuel supply. It would allow us the resiliency to the UVA community, because a high-pressure natural gas pipeline would allow us to generate electricity at the main heat plant. So we could generate our own electricity behind the grid, behind our meter, and during grid emergencies, we would be able to provide electricity for the hospital in the critical research areas.
That's the long-run goal, is to figure out how to have zero carbon energy here at UVA. But until we can get there, and that will take some investments and some creativity, until we can get there, we need to use more natural gas.